Tabian kaning bataan ni pero
Thank you.
maglisod tag sabot.
I'm also.
Okay.
You're
Sorry.
full?
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
How's Korea?
How's Korea?
Yeah.
Seoul, in Seoul.
What?
In Seoul. How's Korea? My house,
Oh.
in Seoul.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh, in Seoul. Okay. So, lahi ako pangutana, lahi pag yung tubag. Do you understand that?
No. but I think it's a you joke.
Yeah, I
What you say?
I was saying, I asked you something and you answered me another thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
How is Korea? I was asking how is Korea, but you said your house is in Seoul.
Seoul is Seoul.
Yeah.
So why you want? Why you want? What do you want?
Say hi to the Filipino people in Korea. Yeah.
I don't know. It's just I'm
No.
just teacher.
No. Say hello to
Ah.
Filipino people and
Filipino
yeah, in
people.
Korean. Yeah.
안녕하세요.
Yeah.
안녕하세요. One more again. You had.
안녕하세요. Bro, you say hi in Pakistan.
I am Pakistan.
Pakistan. It's
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
I will not say.
Yeah, I'm going to post this on Facebook.
Mm.
Is that alright?
Yeah.
Is that alright? Is it okay?
Okay.
Yeah, maglisod og sabot.
Only Filipino people. Please, only Filipino people.
Say bye. Say bye.
안녕. Bye bye. See ya.